Okay, so now we're still in lesson 5.1. We're on the try this, the second problem where we're going to figure out patterns in a table. Okay, so it says describe a pattern, then complete the table. The campers need 5 packs of batteries. If there are 8 batteries in each pack, how many batteries will be in 5 packs? So we could solve this by using a table. And again, I'm going to make sure I read the words in the heading so I know what the numbers mean. This column of numbers is the packs of batteries: 1 pack, 2 packs, 3 packs, 4 packs. This column is the number of batteries: 8, 16, we don't know, 32, and blank. And again, it matches with this number. So if there's 1 pack of batteries, there's 8 batteries total. If there's 2 packs, then there's 16 total. All right, so now we could do patterns 2 different ways. We could use addition by finding and describing a pattern. So where are they adding something each time? Well, going down this column of packs of batteries, they're increasing the packs by 1. Okay, so they're adding 1 pack each time. And then going down this column, what's happening each time? Well, from 8 to 16, what do you need to add? Or what's happening? You're adding 8. What if we did that again? Let me write that just so we can see it. Sorry. From here to here, you're adding, so I'm going to put my addition sign, 8. Then what if we kept doing that? From 16 to the next one, what would happen if we added 8? We want to see if it works and matches up with this other number that's really there. But let's see. That'd be 24. 16 plus 8 is 24. What if we kept the pattern going from 24 plus 8? Is it 32 like we're supposed to have? Yes. So for this one, the adding is going down this time. We're adding 8, 8, 8. So what should we do now for this last one? 8. And that would give us 32 plus 8 is 40. So we're going to add 8. Now, there's one thing I want you to notice here. They also have words. My third graders are always pretty good at saying the number, and I do want you to practice saying add instead of skip count, but they're usually pretty good at figuring the math problem out here. But what I want you to practice too is describing the words in the pattern. So not just saying add 8, but what are we adding 8 of? We're adding 8 batteries. And when are we adding 8 batteries? Every time that we increase 1 pack. Okay, so for each pack, we have to add 8 batteries. So notice how they wrote that. Add 8 batteries for each pack. Okay, so when you're writing a pattern, you need to make sure you not only tell me whether you're adding or multiplying, the number that you're adding or multiplying, but then also what are you adding or multiplying, okay? So now we found one pattern, but remember, they said you could find two. So you could go one direction and then you can go the other direction. So we already went down, so now let's see a new pattern going across. Okay, so what do we do to 1 to get to 8? What do we do to 2 to get to 16? What do you do to 3 to get to 24? And it's the same each time? Well, this time we're multiplying by 8. 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. 3 times 8 equals 24. So now if we had to figure this row out, we would follow the same pattern. 5 times 8 going across would equal 40. So now same thing, you have to describe that pattern. So we're going to say multiply, and what are we multiplying? We're multiplying the number of packs of batteries to get us the number of total batteries, right? So they said multiply the number of packs of batteries by what number? 8. Here's the number of packs of batteries, and every time we multiply them by 8 to get us the total number of batteries. So there will be how many batteries in 5 packs? 40. Now, I think that for most of you is actually the easiest part that you probably already figured out in your own way, was that it was 40. The new part is figuring out two different patterns in this table. One pattern going across every time and one pattern going down. Okay, so we'll stop the video now and then we'll do a share and show.